Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Alex Tim and I signed up for a couple of these monthly boxes. This is the Monster Bass. This is the April 2021 box. My first one from them. I also have Seasons Tackle. I'll do an unboxing of that one as well. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to see these every month. I'm excited. I'm not a huge open water fisherman, at least not historically. This year I'm trying to get into it. Very die-hard ice fisherman, as you guys know. But let's go ahead and jump in. Let's open this thing up and let's see what's in here. All right, so we've got the box itself. It is sealed, so we're gonna cut this guy open. Opening it up. Pretty nice box. They've got a little tape measure thing here. They talk through what they give you tips for catching bass, spring, summer, fall, winter. That's kind of cool. We've got some mustad hooks. Looks like size 4, 3 pieces. Can always use these. I even use these ice fishing, believe it or not, for shiner minnows. Oh, this is kind of nifty. It is tour grade 15-pound fluoro from Strike King, 70 yards. Just a spool of line, but it's got, I've never seen this before. It's got a suction cup on the back of it so that you can evidently throw it on maybe your windshield mount or something like that and spool it off. That's kind of a really cool concept. All right. We got the Deep Diver Crappie Crank. Jenko Fishing, troll from 8 to 18 feet. So this is a trolling bait. This is really cool. It's pink and yellow. Really cool colors. I like this. I don't troll a whole lot. I don't open water fish a whole ton as of yet, but this year I think we're going to do a little bit more of it, and we'll have to give that guy a try. I'm super excited about that. Mini Pro Buzz Topwater Buzzbait Lure from Strike King. Nice bait. It's kind of cool. We've got the Rebel Jumpin' Minnow. Really nice. That should actually, I can already see some bass nailing this thing. Probably get some walleyes on this too. Sweet. We got Lunker Hunt iCast 2019 Best Soft Lure winner Phantom Spider. I can honestly say I've never seen a spider bait before. That is what this guy is. Really cool. You can see it's like I've got a few frogs that have the hooks that go into the back of it. So that is really cool. I wonder if this guy floats. If you have tips on how to use topwater, I've never caught a fish on a frog before, but I've lost a bunch getting them stuck. So if you have tips or advice on how to use really any of these baits, but this one specifically, I'd love to catch something, get it on video. I'm gonna use it this year. Let me know down in the comments below. Really appreciate it. All right, Super Scented Wild Things series. Bassmaster Classic Champion Cliff Pace. Soft plastics as they are. I've got a ton of plastics. I don't use them very much. This year I need to get into using plastics a little bit more, but that's these guys right here. Pretty nice. We got a Bass Hick sticker. What's inside? So they explain everything that's inside of it. Hold this up so you guys can see it, but that's everything that is inside of the box. So the Lunker Hunt, this is the most expensive item in the box at $8. The total MSRP of this box is supposedly $46.98. I think I paid $40 for this box, or 25 or 30, but I don't remember how much I'll put it on the video how much I paid for this box monthly. Ooh, this one should be good. The fact that it came out of the bag, it's a live active one. This is the actual jig itself, big brown head. One thing that I think is really nice about these ones is it's got these hard like fibers, and it kind of protects the hook. So as it's coming through the water, you're not necessarily getting as many weeds. So this is pretty nice. Then we got Lunker Candy Spin Master 3/8 ounce. I don't use these a whole ton. but I might have to test it out this year and see if I like it. So that's the box. April 2021 unboxing. I'm gonna use some of this stuff this year. I will try to make a video as I get, specifically I'm really excited about this spider. I'm sure I'm gonna use this guy trolling this year. Plastics I'm gonna use. I'm gonna see how I like this suction cup thing, but I'm excited. If you wanna see this each month, I'm gonna continue doing it for quite a while until I either realize I'm not using any of the stuff, I have enough of it, or you guys let me know there's a better box out there that I should be doing. I'm looking to do 2 a month. So Monster Bass is this one, Seasons Tackle, which is another one that I'm gonna do an unboxing on. I actually got that the same day as this one, so I'm pretty excited. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button, it helps out the channel, and check out my other videos. Thanks, and until next time, take it easy.